What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another video.
Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
So you guys, I'm about to show you my quick, simple, easy recipe for my Alabama white barbecue sauce. It's something different, but it is so good. I'm going to show you guys how I put it together. So if you want to see, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is what we're going to be using to make our bomb Alabama white barbecue sauce. Okay, you pretty much just have to put the stuff together and just let it set. Super easy recipe, and it's so good. Okay, so we're going to be using some Cajun seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you want. You can use Tony, Slap Your Mama, the Kingsford one, whichever your favorite Cajun seasoning is. This is the one I'm using today. Some sweet smoked paprika, ground mustard, some salt. You can use whatever salt you want, kosher, iodized, table salt, whatever. I'm using the pink Himalayan salt, some black pepper, some Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, a garlic seasoning blend. You can use whatever one you want. You can use adobo. You can use Mrs. Dash, whatever, okay? You could even use a steak seasoning because this is pretty coarse ground. So, some garlic seasoning, some mayonnaise, and a lemon. Okay, just that simple. Okay, you guys, let's put this sauce together. I'm gonna make things easier. I'm gonna just put it together inside of the measuring cup. Okay. So first off, you're gonna need half a cup of mayonnaise. Hellman's mayonnaise. I know a lot of y'all like that Duke's, and as long as it's not a sweet mayonnaise, like what's that sweet mayonnaise? The Miracle Whip. As long as it's like not a Miracle Whip kind of sweet mayonnaise, you get it. Okay, so we're gonna put half a cup of this mayonnaise. I'm gonna put in, so far I put in like 3 heaping tablespoons, and then I'm gonna level up. I think this is perfect. See? You know when you've been cooking for a while, when it just, look at that. Huh? Look at that. Is that not perfect? Look. Okay. So that's our half cup of mayonnaise. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Half a teaspoon of salt. The juice of 1 lemon. Oh, that lemon is juicy too. As a matter of fact, that lemon is super juicy. We're just going to use half a lemon. Okay, so the juice of half a lemon, because look, that thing, it had a lot of juice in it. I don't want it too sour. Okay. Next, we're going to add in 1/8 of a tablespoon of black pepper. So this is about 1/8 of a tablespoon. Okay. And this mixture, once it's done, it's gonna make I say about 3/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce. So next, I'm going to put in half a teaspoon of the Cajun seasoning. Here it is right here. Half a teaspoon. 1/8 of a teaspoon of the sweet smoked paprika. There you go. 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground mustard. And then lastly, 1/8 of a teaspoon of the garlic seasoning. And that's pretty much it, boys and girls. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up. Super simple, but when I tell you it's so good and flavorful, y'all, this stuff is bomb. Look at that. Just gonna mix it up good and get all the lumps out. Okay, you guys, so this looks good. Look at that. This is like a bomb ranch almost too. If this was like made with buttermilk instead of mayo, that would be like pretty much a ranch dressing. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, our barbecue sauce is done. The chicken is in the oven, almost done. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put this in the fridge and just let it, you know, set for a little bit. You know, you can of course use this, you know, right now, but we're just gonna let the flavors come together, okay? This stuff is good, y'all. I tasted it, it's so, well, you can see all that flavor in there. You see that? Now, you know this thing is full of flavor. So, I figure you guys should try this. This is a different kind of version of, you know, it's something different, and it's really good, all right? So, we're just gonna put this in the fridge for a little bit. And then I'll be back once that bird is done, okay? Okay. Look at that flavor. You know that's good. So what do you think, babe? Is it good?
Tastes like Zaxby sauce.
It tastes like Zaxby sauce? Okay.
Good.
Thank you. So you guys, that was my Alabama white barbecue sauce, y'all. It came out so good. Y'all gotta make this, okay? You have to try it. When you do, be sure to tag me on Snapchat, Instagram, email me. Do whatever you need to do so I see your version of my recipe. I love when you guys do that. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.